Greetings and hello everybody. It is I, and your other friend, Scotty.
Hello.
And today we're gonna be reacting or watching or making commentary on, or whatever you would like to call this type of content, on good old doorbell cams. Because I saw a commercial the other day of this old man falling off the porch, and it was supposed to be really serious, and I was sitting on the couch cackling, so I was like, you know what, that's gonna make some good content, let's do it.
Yep.
That's what we're gonna do. Hope you enjoy.
It says try not to laugh too. Don't laugh, Anthony.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna be squawking like some sort of caged bird. Like that Connie that flew away earlier.
Yeah.
Stupid ass bird. Think that's a real person, or you think they're gonna get scared by that thing?
One or the other. He is definitely gonna pee his pants.
What is that? Look, he's stanced.
Yeah, he's stiffed up. Oh my god, dude! Holy shit!
Why did he do that? You know how cats, when they get like real stiff, arch their back?
Yes!
That's exactly what that dude was doing. That dude is a human cat. Look at him.
Yeah.
As soon as
He didn't even move for it to go off.
Look, he's got his shoulders. He just stood there and watched it happen and still got upset by it.
I mean, at least he doesn't have to pee in the truck anymore, because he just let it all out.
Yeah, he just gotta dry his pants out.
Oh, he screamed a little bit too.
Yeah, like, ah!
Is she also gonna... No way.
That's impressive.
A wasp or something?
Just a
Oh my god! This is the moment he knew.
right.
It was
Kid in the
over.
back was like, I ain't this smart. Or, not smart. Not the word I was looking for. Stupid.
Quite the opposite.
No, I'm not smart either.
Could just be like a lizard. Oh my god, he's like two-stepping.
That thing is flying. I've never seen a lizard fly before.
He could be jumping. The boy's got ups. Oh my god, she gone. So glad you put your dog on a leash.
What's she holding?
PVC pipe? How did he fall? Did he just get the shit scared out of him?
Did you hear that kid? Listen to the kid in the back. He's having a good old time. He's like, hee, oh, ah.
He's like, fuck you, Dad, that was
He's
funny.
like chirping like a little monkey back there. He's like, wow, did you see that? Grandpa's dead. That man took a tumble.
He's like pointing and laughing at him.
I hope this is
that's fair.
Halloween. It's probably not.
Nah, it's just Tuesday.
I mean, look, I can see the little pineapple palm in there in the picture, which leads me to believe this is probably Florida.
I can't reach it. It's okay, I saw it coming.
Oh yeah, he's got a little candy bucket there.
It's okay, I saw it coming.
It's okay, I saw you coming, little feller. You said that, is that the parent back there? Just
I
happily.
think so. I think so. Damn, bruh.
Oh, and he's pulling that one out of there.
Yeah. That shit's sticky.
Why did he yank that thing so hard, bro? I mean, look at that. Is he trying to air it out?
He must be. That's the only thing that really makes sense here. I'm glad they shouted out his IG though.
Yeah, like, hey, if you want to see some more of this quality shit content, you want to see me blow ass on my doorbell cam, come check it out. Unbelievable.
It stands in front of a fucking HD camera.
Right. He installed.
Genius.
Oh,
Oh, no.
Damn.
You okay?
The answer is no. No, they are not okay. That shit hurts.
okay.
Did you see that head bouncing like a bat?
Oh my god, what a still.
Dude, watch the head. Thing's bouncing like a...
Oh god. It's hard to tell if it's actually hitting the stairs or if it's just like flopping in the air.
I don't think so. Here. It looks like she's holding the head up. I don't think it's bouncing. I think it's just the impact of her going down the stairs.
Yeah. That could have been worse. And then nailed it. Fucking stuck the landing.
Oh!
The fuck is this POV? Oh, what's up? What's up, Jesse? How you doing, bruh? Oh god, she gone.
Get up. Get up.
Get up.
Get up now, won't ya?
What are you doing? Oh,
That's
my
funny.
God.
I hope nobody saw me.
Dad's at work fucking cackling.
Yep.
Oh. She gone.
Is that a she? This last frame looks like there's a full beard.
Oh,
I can't.
You might be right.
Dude, I can't.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Dude, is that their hair? Is that a
It
hairpiece?
almost looks like a wig. But I think it might actually be attached to his head. If it survived that fall, that shit might be real.
Dude, it's gotta be.
It's adorable.
Oh.
Yo, I've been there before. Maybe not the wrong house, but
The wrong hotel room, maybe?
yeah. Why did it play a little jingle?
I don't,
It was like she was almost on one of those walking pianos as she fell. Hello.
just insult to injury.
What the fuck?
Oh, I felt that one, dude.
Especially not having a shirt on.
Oh, that was it for that one. Okay.
That was it.
I don't want spookies. I want scary. Or not. Yeah, let's just pretend that didn't happen. This one's an hour. There's got to be some good clips in here, right?
The best of the year, 2021.
Why does that sound like a dude that doesn't have a deep voice trying to use a deep voice?
Dude, I was literally getting ready to say that. I was like, they couldn't afford the guy off of Fiverr that actually had the deep voice.
Honestly, it could be just with some sound effects. Like here, I got some sound effects.
Best clips of the year.
But his doesn't sound like it has an effect. It's literally just him with like dropping his voice down.
I'm laughing so much because I'm cringing a little bit, but dude, it's so fun.
The best doorbell camera clips. The funniest, weirdest, and craziest
Oh,
video.
shit.
Enjoy the video.
Oh, man.
This son seems to have had a little too much to
Are
drink.
you gonna commentate the whole fucking thing?
Strikes.
He does. Fuck, man. They just got a whole zoo walking around the UPS man. What the hell is going on? They got Lassie. They got the cat. There's another little dog to the right that I just saw a noggin of.
Cash is trying to get some work. Oh, he is vibing in there. Now the other dog's going in there. Where did the cat go to?
I don't know, but he's gonna find that cat. Maybe they don't. Did they get the cat back?
I mean, it seemed like the dog was trying to let him know.
Oh my god, I'm tripping.
Is that what Dad did to her earlier?
Oh god.
Get a little bit of the old single in the pinky, one in the stinky.
I smell of sausages.
What?
Smell of sausages.
I smell of sausages.
Why do you
smell
smell?
through the camera, Dad?
So look, she's doing that. She's doing that. Yeah, and then he smells of sausages. I think they might have been fucking on the drive.
Oh my.
Gave her the old sausage gravy.
Sausage gravy biscuit. What the fuck is that?
Was that Dobby the elf?
It looked like a tiny human. Please tell me it comes closer. Where the fuck did it go, dude?
Did you see the truck fire up and take off?
No, it just shows up in front of the camera.
Dude, you know what that is? Right there. That looks like that little long, stringy looking dude from Men in Black. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, the little aliens?
Yeah, yeah. That's what that is.
I think it is Dobby. Dobby makes more sense.
Could be Dobby. He's looking for some socks. He's gonna nut in them. Look at that. Look at him go. Dobby is free!
He just entered the shadow realm there.
Open the fucking door. Can you move? Can you fucking move for a fucking second?
Oh, he gone.
He moved.
He's like, I'm gonna just nap here. Don't worry about me.
Does that man have a strobe light in his
On
balls?
his-
What is my
Why is he
man? Are you
doing-
good?
Why is he doing that?
Get up, let's go.
She's like, get up, as if you didn't just brutally throw that man to the pavement. Could have killed him.
Yeah, how could you?
He could have died. He's probably just sick of his drunk ass. I would be too.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Is this a common occurrence? How many people do this?
You gotta tell, I mean, maybe you've forgotten, okay? I understand. You're a married man. You don't
I'm
have
just
to
like,
worry about this shit
buckle
anymore.
up, bitch, and I cover her with the covers.
See, when you're first meeting somebody, you go to their place, you can't just blast ass like you're launching one of the SpaceX rockets into orbit. You gotta go outside the front porch and be like, oh, I think I left something in my car. Which is what he's doing. He's checking for something in his car right now.
Yeah.
Just sounds like he
actually.
needs to WD-40 the door hinges. They're a little creaky.
Holy shit. That's a long boy.
Dude, you can see the smile on his face.
Because he remembered his fucking neighbor has a doorbell camera.
Right there, dude. You can see.
Even the lack of pixels, we know he has a shit-eating grin.
Maybe this is what was running in front of that fence at 3 a.m. It was this dude.
That's sweet.
One day she just turns around and just pulls her pants down, shows ass. Fuck y'all.
Yeah, the tone has to change, right?
Yeah, are we gonna get funny? Quit being nice.
Yeah.
Oh!
Fuck you thinking?
Over! Oh! Break something! Fall face through, just fall right now. Just swan
God
dive
damn
off
it.
the porch. That was bullshit. You guys didn't come here for this cute, heartsy, feely, feel-good bullshit.
Hell no!
We don't like the smile here! No, sir! Actually, we do. That's just not the kind of smile we're looking for. Which one did we just watch?
That one, the one you were just talking about.
They literally have the
There's
same.
the girl dancing in the thumbnail.
They literally have the same title.
Maybe they found that title worked and they're just like, fuck it.
Every video is
Every
that
video,
title.
run that shit. Not even a number on them.
We are not home. Open the door! We're not home! We're not in the house. You have to open the door yourself.
I assume they know this person. He's just a fucking boomer.
It sounds like it's his dad.
Dad!
Yep.
What?
We're not in the house. We went to go pick
What? My man is still sitting there waiting for them to open the door.
He's gonna be there all day.
What?
We're not in the house. We went to go pick up Jada.
I can't hear you. Come on, open the door!
I can't hear you. Come to the fucking door.
Oh my god. And look, there's a car in the driveway, which means he just drove there. That's not at all concerning, is it?
We're not in the house.
What the fucker? Alright.
This is one of the best videos I've ever seen, dude. This is this is fucking amazing.
It just keeps getting better.
Motherfucker!
It's fucking John Senile. He's back.
We're not in the house.
What the fucker? Alright, get in there.
You gotta use the key. We're not home.
Wait, he had a key the whole time?
Of course he does.
He probably has like 1,700 keys on the ring and he doesn't know fucking which one it is.
He's literally holding it up at one point. Look,
Oh shit, you're right.
he's holding the fucking things and he's still waiting. Oh, that's funny. That's one of the best ones I've seen.
Let me in, for I have bring gifts. I bring the paper towels. Yes, they're absorbent. Let them in.
Let him in.
I must come in now. Please, you open the door,
I love this guy.
and then I come to it with the paper towels.
With the paper towels.
Bring your paper towels.
He's gonna break down the front door before somebody opens it.
It was locked.
It's unlocked, you dumb fuck.
It was locked.
It's unlocked, you dumb fuck.
I like how his accent immediately changes.
Right, just goes right back to his normal English.
Hello? Are you watching me? Hello?
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ, dude. The kid was going crazy on that thing.
I tried to intercept the package. Now my husband knows that I order Amazon when he told me to stop. Let go of it, damn it. I tried licking him. That didn't faze him.
That would only make him stronger.
Luckily, he only saw the
Stronger,
one
harder.
cheap thing I ordered and so grounded from using the bank card.
My man, you just gotta check the bank statements if you want to see how much she's truly spent. You don't have to wait for the mailman.
Literally says Amazon.
It does. And then right next to it, it says a number. Hopefully under 3 numbers for you.
Yeah.
What you got? Huh? You got something for me? You better run. Let me at you.
Yeah, go get him, you little sauce. Oh my god! Oh!
Oh my god, sick him! Get him!
Uh-huh, you little fuckers.
How is she already at the door?
What you got?
It's not even a second later.
You better run.
And she's there with her fucking toothbrush.
Let me
Get him, dogs! Get him! Hey, you little fucker!
Little fuckers.
Oh God, that laugh! It's so creepy.
Evil. It's maniacal.
She's like the woman from 101 Dalmatians.
Cruella DeVille.
Cruella DeVille, yep.
Oh, shit! At least you saved the child. I would have thrown that fucker halfway across the lawn to save myself. I don't care.
Fuck them little shits. It's just a late-term abortion.
That's right. That's a post-naval abortion.
Yeah, girl. Wait.
Read the bottom,
no.
dude.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude, it's so, I feel for him.
Bro, I would tip her like $30 and be like, please never accept our house ever again.
Oh, trust me, she won't. Dude, I thought that was Tyler, the Creator, for a second.
Bro, it is.
That boy he be creating some calories. That is Tyler, the Eater. Forget creator, that is creator. I can make those jokes because I still have breasts.
Yes, I'm scared of the dogs. That's why I'm still here.
Hey, those dogs are crazy. I am so sorry for the way
No,
they
man.
act. They're
I'm up here
crazy.
terrified of the dogs not bothering me.
Oh my God. Okay, you got a piece of junk mail you didn't kick at, like throw at them?
No, man.
This poor guy.
This is how the mailman is like when he goes over to deliver mail to Kelly and Tyler. He's just gotta get through the ducks.
Yes, ma'am.
Dogs barking inside, ducks walking across the street.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised they don't have chickens yet, to be honest.
Tyler won't let her get chickens because they're disgusting creatures.
What the fuck?
Oh, it just ends.
That's probably for the better, bro.
You know what? I think I'm just gonna end this video now.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
That looks like something out of The Strangers.
Bro, that was the scariest movie I've ever seen. I didn't even finish it.
Yeah, not a fan. Those kind of movies creep me out because it can happen. Or like Hannibal. Like, did you ever watch Hannibal? Or it's like
not.
Dr. Lecter and he's like eating people's brains. The reason why that shit is so scary because people actually do that shit. And it could be people that are like really smart. They're doctors. And you go under the knife and you're like, oh, I'm just gonna get an ACL surgery. And you wake up and you're a honey baked ham.
I can fuck up a honey big ham right now, that's for sure.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It was fun. Some of these clips were not good, but that's okay. We'll probably cut those out and you will see the good ones. If you'd like to see more, let me know. If you don't, leave a comment as well. Either way, it's engagement and I'll take it. Scott, thank you so much for joining me for another fun little video.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And I'll leave a link for your channel in the description, both of them.
Thanks.
I think there's only 2 channels. Is there more?
Yep, nope, there's only 2.
Both of them will be linked. And yeah, peace and chicken grease, y'all. We're out.